The first thing we'll do before starting to tear up and remove the tile is we'll prepare the area around it. We want to protect all the other aspects of the bathroom, especially this glass wall and also the other tile, the toilet, and even just the other walls. So I have quite a bit of cardboard I'm going to carefully attach to the glass wall and also other areas around the toilet. And I also have some carpet padding that I'll use to put some of my hand tools on and to also be able to kneel on when I'm working on the floor. The customer's probably wondering what I'm doing in their bathroom talking to myself. But that'll be okay. Actually, I told them I'll be doing this. I've noticed a lot of other videos on YouTube for flooring, and they don't seem to really be addressing real job sites. It's more of a mock, pretend display of what's potentially going to happen. So that's why I decided to have a real live job site. Let's see if we can get a better angle of what's going on here. So I'm going to carefully attach some of the cardboard to the glass so as I remove that broken tile, the glass is protected. So as you guys get the idea, I'm not going to record taping cardboard.